Racing cars takes a big toll on engine parts. We found ourselves with lots of parts that are really not suitable for competition any longer, but they're still reusable parts. So we've decided to take these parts to our friends at L&R Engines for inspection and see if we can try to recycle all these parts and put them into our project car. With our long block completed, and knowing that we've only spent a fraction of what a regular engine would have cost to rebuild, we decided to take our engine to our friends over at CPR and have them put the engine on a dyno to see how much power we can really make out of this recycled engine.
Let me double check something. I gotta find out.
Actually get it started on the dyno today. We should be able to see somewhere around high 2s, maybe low 3s as far as horsepower goes. We'll see what it brings. That's the tough part about having parts laying around and you want to make something of them. So we'll just make the best of it and we'll see what happens.
You guys already got that thing back together there?
Which one's that? Back together, bro.
Again?
Yeah.
After the rod?
No.
Yeah. After the rod?
That's pretty cool. All right.
I think we're good, man.
We got fuel?
We got fuel.
All right, let's see.
It's alive!
Put it at like 31 degrees timing. Okay. So. It's warmed up. I think we're ready.
Okay.
All right, Ed. See, it picked up torque immediately, and carried it through a little bit further, and that was it's still warming up, so just to, yeah, we're about 190, so now this run right here is just a backup run. And it helped. Definitely helped. More power. 333 horsepower, 340 foot-pounds of torque.
compared to, well, I didn't really.
Yeah, it just, it's still, I don't know, that dual plane intake, you see how the left side is much leaner than the right side?
Those could be plugs. Or the wires.
Well, no, because it's consistent. It's the intake split. So it's that dual plane manifold that will do that to us. It could still stand to be a little bit richer.
Yeah.
Yep.
So great results. We were able to get the horsepower and torque figures that I sort of figured that we would get. And needless to say, with a little bit more tweaking, that engine has a lot of potential to make a lot more power, which is really cool.